Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video. Today's video is based on how you can recover your online banking account of Bank of America. In case you're not able to log in because of your incorrect user ID or your incorrect password, what you can do is simply watch the video till the end, and by the end of this video you will learn how to recover your online banking account of Bank of America. First of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com. As you type in the link, on the other page you will be directed into the official site or the profile page. So then on the same page in the left hand side corner you can see a login detail. Over here you'll have to provide your username and your password in order to log in. First of all, make sure to enter your username. After you're done entering your user ID, in case if you don't want to enter it every time you try to log in, what you can do is you can simply tap on save user ID in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, your user ID will be saved over here. In case you have forgotten your password or you're not able to recall your password, so then tap on forgot ID or password in the bottom left corner. So this following option applies to both, which means that in case you have forgotten your user ID, so you can tap on forgot ID or password. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you can do the same thing, that is tap on forgot ID or password in the bottom left corner. So tap on forgot ID password. As you tap on it, on the other page this kind of interface might appear on your computer screen. Out here you'll have to provide your basic information in order to restore or recover your account. You can see in the left hand side corner there is forgot ID/password, and under it you can see you have to enter your information. Firstly, they have asked for card or account numbers, so you can either enter your card number or your account number. So then make sure to enter your correct information. On the second step, tap on social security number or tax ID number. So over here you have two different options. You can either enter social security number or your tax ID number. Also make sure to enter it correctly. In exceptional cases, if you don't have social security number or tax ID number, what you can do is you can simply tap on don't have an SSN or TIN in the bottom left corner. Once you tap on it, on the other page you'll have to provide other information that is related with your bank account. So out here, if you are done entering your information, make sure to review it once again. Only then tap on continue in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on continue, and if your information is correct, in the other page you get to reset or recreate a new password. So after you're done creating or resetting a new password, what you have to do is go back to your login page and then enter your user ID, and on the password option make sure to enter the correct password that you've created recently. Once you're done entering your information including your newly created password, make sure to review it once again, only then tap on login. So as soon as you tap on login, on the other page you will successfully land inside your online banking account of Bank of America. So that is how you can recover your online banking account of Bank of America in an easy way. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.